Students, we will learn today how to remember multiplication factor table for hardness calculation. It's a very easy method. So this is the most difficult part to remember this table because it is used very extensively in lime soda calculations and hardness calculation. So what is the concept behind this table? That hardness can be calculated by a formula: mass of hardness producing substance multiplied by chemical equivalent of CaCO3 into 2 divided by chemical equivalent of hardness producing substance into 2. Chemical equivalent or equivalent weight is exactly same. It is a synonym, and this term is known as multiplication factor. Is this multiplication factor, how it can be remembered? We will derive one table. This table constitutes entire types of hardness producing substances. This is hardness producing substance. The 4 steps how we can calculate the multiplication factor is: first step is molar mass. It will be divided by 2, then it comes to be 81, and as we have learned that calcium carbonate 50 is its equivalent weight multiplied by 2, and 81 by 2, that is equivalent weight of hardness producing substance into 2. In the second case, what is there? It is again divided by 2 because equivalent weight or chemical equivalent is molecular weight divided by n factor. And what is n? It is acidity if a base is there, it is basicity if a acid is there, otherwise it is valency or oxidation state, whichever is applicable. So here from 1 to 13 all are having 2 as n factor. So this formula can be remembered as (100 upon molar mass) as a simple formula. So if the question is having this, so you don't have to do all the steps, you just remember that from 1 to 13, and this is also simple to remember because all are having n factor 2. So 100, wherever the n factor is 2, then the formula is 100 upon molar mass. Now, so you don't have to remember all these salts. It is exactly 100 upon molar mass. The only thing what we have to remember is these 6 salts where it is divided by 1. Now look into this. It is divided by this, the mass is 61. It will be divided by 1 because bicarbonate ion is having charge 1. So this formula will become 50 into 2 divided by chemical equivalent into 2. So the value comes out to be 100 upon 122. So in this case, from 14 to 19, what we can remember, if you carefully notice that this is 17, all are divided by 1 up to here, not this one, up to here all are divided by 1 and then doubled, so into 2. So this formula can be remembered as 100 upon molar mass into 2. The only different is aluminum sulfate, in which the division is by 6. Why 6? Because aluminum has a valency +3, sulfate has -2. Total charge is 3 2s are 6. So it is divided by 342 divided by 6, and thus we get 57. 100 upon 114 is the multiplication factor. In this way we can remember the whole table. If we have divided this table into 3 parts. This table is helpful for solving all types of hardness questions. Now simply you will multiply multiply the mass of the hardness producing substance into its multiplication factor, and you will get the hardness in ppm. ppm is equal to mg per liter. Thank you.